So now friends, what we will do, we will add prefix and suffix to our data. So we have some names here and age here. So we want to add some suffix and prefix to this data. So suffix is means adding at the end, and prefix it means adding in the beginning of the data. So we have a name here and age here. So we want to, I suppose like all these are doctors, so we will add doctors in front of them, and age, so we will put down an year, which is a suffix, will be at the end of the age. So in Power Query it's just easy way to do that. And for that, what we will go to the name here, click on that, then I will go to from tables, and then just convert all our names data into a table, press OK. So it will be converted into table, and Power Query editor is open here. And then if we want to add a new column in front of them, then we can add problem, add column. Otherwise we can do it in transform only. So we'll go to transform here and select our first data here, and if you want to add a prefix here, select it. We will go to format here, and in format there is a add prefix. So we'll click here, and value, what value you like to give. Suppose we want to give doctors. Sorry, and click OK. So it will be added. And the other way, we can also give space after doctor, so that doctor, and then we will give a space and then press OK. So there will be a space also. Similarly, we will go to age, select this, and then we will go to format and add suffix. So in the beginning I will give space and then type years and press OK. So our data is selected. Now we can trim it also if we want. I will trim them. Similarly, I go there and trim this data also. And if you want to convert it into capital each word, so that will be converted. Similarly here, I will just remove this and do it for both of them. Select this, control from my keyboard, select both, and then capital each word. So now we want to close this and save this data. Close. Now we can even close it in the same sheet. So we can use, for that we can use this command, close and load to same sheet. A window will appear.